Servus is an intuitive restaurant guest management system for Android Honeycomb devices. This overview video will demonstrate how you can leverage Servus's power and ease of use to help operate more efficiently and increase profits. When you start Servus, you are presented with the floor plan view. This is a customized view of all tables in your location and their statuses. Intuitive colors allow you to quickly gauge the state of your entire location at a quick glance. Changing table statuses is as easy as tapping on them. Tables start in the gray or closed state, meaning there isn't a server assigned to them. Green represents an open table that is ready for seating. Yellow is a reserved table. And red is a table that is currently seated. Note that Servus automatically tracks how long a party has been seated at a table, so you can estimate table turnover and seat your guests more efficiently. Seated tables also allow you to flag them with certain options. Tapping a table, then tapping the other options menu, will allow you to flag a table as having a birthday, an end cap, a first-time customer, or a VIP customer. We can now see the table shows an icon representing the option we've selected. Finally, Servus allows you to flag tables that are reserved but still seated, or closed but still seated. This is useful so you can keep track of what will happen to tables after guests have left, while still tracking how long the guests have been seated. The waitlist view provides an easy way to track both your call-ahead and walk-in traffic. Entries are displayed in the order they were entered and reflect their current state. A bar along the top of the screen provides information such as the number of parties on the list, the number of large parties, and the current wait time estimate. A filter drop-down allows you to alter what is shown on the list. We'll come back to that. For now, let's add a new party by tapping the Add Party button in the upper right corner. The Add Party screen allows you to enter, first the party name, then the party size, next whether they are a walk-in or a call-ahead customer. Let's choose call-ahead. Next, we enter the wait time we are quoting them. Note that call-ahead customers are automatically quoted an hour. This can be adjusted now or at check-in time. Then, we enter any special requests they may have, let's say a booster seat. The Notes field at the bottom provides a place for any ad hoc requests the customer may have. Tapping the Add Party button will add the new entry to the list. Since this is a call-ahead customer, Servus conveniently provides us with a reference number that we can give the customer on the phone. This allows us to quickly find their entry on the list when they check in. Now that we've added a new party, let's walk through each of the steps required to get them seated. When the party arrives, we have two options. If there's not currently a wait, we can seat them immediately. If there is a wait, we need to check them in. Let's assume there is a wait and go through the check-in process. Tapping the check-in button brings up the check-in dialog where we can adjust their quoted wait time and assign them a pager if we have a pager system. Let's give them pager 101, then tap Submit to check them in. Note that Servus has recorded the check-in time in the check-in column on the waitlist. When the customer's table is ready, we need to alert them and assign them a table number. Once we've alerted the customer that their table is ready, we tap the Page button. This brings up the floor plan where you can assign them a table number. In this case, we're going to assign them table 216. Tapping the table returns us to the waitlist where we can see the table number we've assigned them. The waitlist entry row is now highlighted, indicating that we're ready for the customer to respond to the page. If we look at the floor plan view, we can see that table 216 has automatically been changed to the yellow or reserved state. This will prevent anyone else being seated at that table while we wait for our party to respond. Once the party is reported back to us, we can seat them. Tap the customer, then the seat button, then OK to confirm. The waitlist now shows that the party was seated and frees up the pager number. Looking at the floor plan view once again, we see that table 216 has automatically been changed to the red or seated state. Now, let's look at some other features of the waitlist. Servus automatically calculates an estimated wait time based on the number of entries in the waitlist. If you need to manually adjust the wait time for some reason, simply tap the Adjust button to the right of the wait time. This brings up a dialog that allows you to adjust the time up or down in 5-minute increments. Let's move it forward 10 minutes and then apply it by tapping the Adjust button. Servus now shows the adjusted wait time estimate and provides an indication that the time has been adjusted manually. The waitlist can begin to look crowded as the number of entries on it grows. It's possible to lose track of the next person on deck, which is one of the issues using paper-based waitlists. Servus makes solving this problem easy. The Show filter in the top bar provides a way to tailor the entries shown on the waitlist for your current needs. Tapping it shows the different filters available. Servus defaults to the All filter, which shows all entries in the list regardless of state. The Active Check-in filter only shows parties that are checked in but have not yet been seated. Think of this as showing all unseated parties physically present in the restaurant. The Active Call-ahead filter shows all call-ahead entries that have not yet checked in. Finally, the Seated, No-show, and Large Party filters only show waitlist entries of a particular status. Servus is available in 2 editions, Starter and Professional. The Starter edition is intended for smaller restaurants that want to replace their pen and paper-based systems. It has all the powerful management features the product offers, but only works on one device. The Professional edition is for larger restaurants that want to have multiple devices in use by their staff to make sure everyone stays in sync. You should now have an idea of how much Servus can simplify your guest management. We invite you to explore our website to learn about other features Servus offers that we didn't cover in this video. Please view our professional overview video for details about the powerful peer-to-peer and other capabilities in Servus Professional Edition. Thanks for watching.